Let's get real. Most people work hard for years, only to watch their savings vanish from bad decisions, market swings, or just plain overspending. The world pushes you to spend, borrow, and chase trends, but that's a trap keeping millions broke. The real secret? Protect what you have. Building wealth starts with plugging the leaks, not chasing the next big thing. Today we're cutting through the noise and bringing back the timeless principles that actually work. Warren Buffett's first rule: don't lose money. Second rule: don't forget the first. Most losses come from emotional, impulsive choices, chasing trends, piling on debt, or panicking when the market dips. You can't control the economy, but you can control your behavior. Master your impulses and you're already ahead. True financial peace comes from having a plan and sticking to it. The foundation of financial security is simple: spend less than you earn. Lifestyle inflation: spending more as you make more keeps people broke at any income. That gap between what you make and what you spend is your power. It's what lets you save, invest, and breathe. Without margin, one emergency can send you spiraling into debt. Build that gap, and you build real security. Investing isn't gambling, but too many treat it like a lottery ticket. Ignore the hype and overnight success stories. They're the exception, not the rule. Real wealth comes from steady, consistent investing in things you understand, not chasing quick wins. Patience and discipline beat luck every time. Debt isn't just a tool, it's often a trap. High-interest consumer debt eats away at your future, making you work for the bank instead of yourself. Borrow only for things that grow in value, like a home, not for cars or gadgets that lose value fast. Every dollar in interest is a dollar you can't use to build your life. Break free from bad debt, and you reclaim your future. Life throws curveballs: job loss, car trouble, medical bills. An emergency fund is your shield. Without it, every crisis becomes a debt trap. Aim for 3 to 6 months of expenses in a safe, accessible account. This isn't investment money, it's peace of mind. With an emergency fund, a crisis becomes an inconvenience, not a disaster. Fear and greed drive most bad money decisions. Panic selling, reckless buying, chasing the crowd. The antidote: a plan you stick to, no matter what your emotions say. Automate your budget and investments to keep your feelings out of the driver's seat. Let your plan, not your impulses, guide your money. If someone promises fast, guaranteed returns, run the other way. Scams prey on your desire for shortcuts, using urgency and fake success stories. Ask yourself, if it's so great, why are they telling you? Trust your gut, do your research, and never invest in what you don't understand. Protect your money from smooth-talking sharks. Even with a solid plan, disasters happen. Health crises, lawsuits, fires. Protect your assets with insurance, legal documents, and good records. Health insurance, home insurance, life insurance aren't luxuries, they're essentials. Estate planning ensures what you've built goes to those you love. Don't leave your financial house unguarded. Build your fortress before the storm. Winning with money isn't about flashy moves, it's about avoiding big mistakes and playing the long game. The truly wealthy build their lives on simple habits, living below their means, staying out of debt, saving, and investing for the future. It's not glamorous, but it works. Survival and consistency let your money grow and weather any storm. Start today, one good decision at a time, and build a future you're proud of.